we doing some barbecue here. You need to watch what we doing here all the time.
The lights are so good.
Yeah. The video was okay. Chicken, okay?
May tissue. May tissue doon sa mesa. No. There. Oh. No. You're not allowed here. Go inside. Why? It's cold outside.
Yeah.
You go inside.
Nagkakampag kayo?
What?
Nag-19 na po
Yeah. Yana!
Ate Yana!
Who's Yana?
Yana is one of my niece, Ren's sister, the only girl in the family.
Oh, how was the
The owner of the room where you stay.
the child?
How many?
How many?
They have 4.
Oh.
The
See
first,
the older one?
no,
Uy,
the
masyado nang maitim.
older one, Tilani nandiyan ang kanyang cellphone.
Ah, sorry.
naka-video. The older one is,
That's okay.
the older one is Luis, the fat guy.
Naka-live siya, naka-live siya.
Going to take out
The house.
take out Kiara before?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
really. The fat guy.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
By the way,
he is the older son of hers.
why he there?
In Lipa,
Yeah.
he studied there, computer science. He's in second year college.
UB?
No, public college. He's not paying anything.
In UB pay eh.
Yeah, the tuition there is I think 20,000 per semester or more than. In Luis' school, he doesn't pay anything. Goes public school. That's where I study.
Nandiyan na ata.
Yeah. English!
English! Ano ba
We said to her, bring some English here.
You need to bring many English.
And then he said, I'll just stay here. She is Rihanna.
Hello.
Ay. Naman eh.
Uy.
Hindi daw siya, yung barbecue daw sa kanila, yung kapag piyesta lang, madalang daw makapag-barbecue, kaya pinagbabarbecue nila yan.
Ayan, nabili ko pa naman puro baboy.
Pork.
Pork.
Oh, it's okay.
Pork and fish.
There's fish.
English yun. Wala,
Have you
English
eat
yun.
fish here?
I eat fish.
No, here in the Philippines.
No, I just eat some. What is that? I don't remember.
Tilapia.
Yeah, tilapia.
That's the only fish in Lipa.
And the only fish I eat here.
Ah, that's the only fish I eat in Lipa also.
Painumin mo nga yun ng Carlos Ban.
Ay, maybe she's not allowed. Bawal. Haram.
What is that? Bawal?
Bawal the liquor. Alak. Ano ba? Alak. Liquor.
Wine.
Strong wine.
Oh, sometimes I eat. I'm drink wine.
Wala kami ka ng wine.
Ay,
But-
it's not our just wine. It's
Oh,
maybe 40% alcohol.
the
You
last
will get drunk.
the last time I drink alcohol is 90%.
90% alcohol Ay, that's that's isopropyl alcohol here.
Mas matapang pa sa 4.
It's 90 if it's 90% alcohol, ay maybe the people here will die. Really? 90%?
Baka naman 1%.
Maybe not 9, maybe 9%, not 90.
80. 80.
Maybe 19. 19. 19. 19. Because 19. I heard 90. 90.
One month.
19.
Oh.
19.
That was for hand
Ang layo
sanitizer.
pala. Panalo ko ka. Talo sa
Ring
libo.
sanitizer.
500 na po pinila mo muna.
Amit ka kasi.
Mali.
Ha? Ano?
Ari.
Ay, hindi kinuha. Bukas na daw.
Ay, na kaya
Sabi ni
ito?
Kuya Ron eh.
Bukas na nga daw, sabi ni Kuya Rudy.
Luto na kaya?
Hindi ko alam.
Oo, sunod na nga eh.
Maybe we can try one. Rice ko ang plato.
Lan, ano sabi mo? Ikaw ay nagugutom?
Hindi naman. Hindi yun.
Food with
Ibig sabihin daw na yun.
I don't like it.
Ay, you don't like it.
Vinegar is so soft. Like something different.
Char.
Yeah.
You don't usually.
The
Okay
most
na kaya yung
people
ulam
is
sa atin. Pwede mo tayo bumili ng
use
marinated na pwedeng
We
ihaw.
just use some spicy.
Ang in-order ko doon
Always.
isda.
Magkano isang ganyan? Lan, baka ikimatembong dyan.
Hindi
Ay,
hawak.
sis, alam nyo kasi yan.
Pag ako tumawa, mahahawak ako dito.
Hindi sama-sama. Sila ay hindi nakain at inuuna daw ay mga matatanda. You know, here the visitors first.
May pera ka dyan? Bumili ka, magkano ganyan, Leia, isa?
Manay,
Bumili ka pa isang karne.
ay, you wanna try the motorcycle here?
Yeah. I need.
Mauna siya mag-drive.
Oh, in Indonesia we use that.
Tomorrow.
Soft drinks na siya, soft drinks yan.
Nagkaroon?
Basta baboy lang ang hindi.
You look cute.
Ha?
With the pink skirt.
Lumis, pili kayong soft drink.
Kanino pa dito
Coke
yung
Light.
tingnan ko nakita eh?
Dalawa. Tapos,
Namistahan ka?
garden barbecue. Hot.
It's still hot.
Yung ganito. Sayang ang apoy.
Mama, siya
Ha?
190.
190 daw.
Let's put some more. Let's,
Sasali. Ano pa yung
this
dance?
there.
Patry nga ako kung masarap.
Ay, sobrang init pa.
Kung masarap,
Bibili ulit tayo sa atin.
hindi masarap kumain sa ating pagkakonta.
Ay, kaya nga.
Nasaan sila? Tayo.
Ang ating may sumba. May
Ang mga
competition.
bata sana, no?
Kaya nga, ba't di mo tawagan?
May ay.
Ay, may singer daw si Kuya. Tawagan mo nga si Ate Teten. Sabi mo magpahatid dito. Bumili nga kay Indomie sa ano? Maybe you can put
You want some?
Ayun, mababaw.
Inay doesn't eat chicken.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I told you before.
Yeah. So what you eat?
Pork only and fish.
Okay.
And shrimp. Shrimp is her favorite. Shrimp here is very expensive.
Yummy.
Dito kayo dito.
Wala maghahatid sa inyo. Ako yung lang.
Pakita mo Pakita mo si Anin.
Papapagdalhin sana kita ng English.
Parang hilaw pa siya, Iya.
Hilaw pa? Ay, di balik natin.
Ay, natatay.
How can I get that?
I don't know. Oh, I just throw up my like that.
Mainit pa.
Sino yun? Wala ho.
Sayang, sana kayo nakapanood. Makarating siya doon sa marami kang kailangan ka.
Wala pa? Nakaayos pa lang? Louie Irene, suga siya at ililipat natin ang barbecue dito.
So we don't get
I think
sayang.
it's not, yeah. I think it's not really cooked. You put others, you put it back there. Some are not really cooked.
Yeah. You need to try.
Luto na ka, Kuya Alan?
Okay na.
Okay na? Maybe the lighter color.
Happy birthday, sweetie folks. Happy
Pusa!
Kaya pala may 8 pusa. In your apartment? In your renting house? No.
Oh yeah, yeah, my apartment. My renting house here. In my hometown we just have 2 because in my hometown so many duck.
Kapag doon nakakakita siya sa daan, nampun niya. We just need to transfer the partner natin. Ay, wag na lens, oh. Dali mo na lang.
Diyan na lang ako. Ay, wag na. Ay, gano'n lang para masyado.
Hindi maganda ang Christmas light na nasa malabo.
We going to the beach tomorrow. Yeah.
Do you take a bath?
Yeah.
No!
Why?
Maybe just don't go
Oh,
so far.
I'm scared too. If I go too far, just like maybe just feel some the water
Yeah.
in Philippines.
Yeah, we will just sit at the seashore.
Yeah,
Where is it, baby? Upo lang.
but I can swim.
Just sit on the sand. Right?
Okay.
Sabi, diretso na kayo sa ibig. Sorry, sa lakad na lang.
Bata. Wala pa man. Hindi siya sama mga bata.
Sa ibig?
Sa dagat. Tulog pa mga yun.
Wait, mom.
Mabel.
Mama.
Maribel.
Mother.
That's the small one. Wala na.
I just keep
You didn't save it.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, chicken. That's not your fault. This fault. But that's actually your fault.
I saw some of your videos. You didn't cut some parts. Most of the time, you included everything on your vlog. Why don't you just grab at least some clips?
I don't want like that.
You want to document everything.
Everything. That's what I say. Because if I go back into
Get it. We can get that.
yeah,
Get that.
if I go to Indonesia and then I just saw the video again. What
You
happened?
can remember everything.
Yeah.
May apoy, may apoy.
May apoy dito ako, oh. Dito lang. Hindi ako naalis. I did this, then I will
watching me Upin Ipin too?
before, when I was young. I think 12 years ago.
Well, you watch Upin Ipin?
When I was your age.
I'm still watching Upin Ipin.
When I was your age. Your age. When I was 21.
Oh, so you know the most, maybe you know some Malay
Huh? It's English here.
Eh, Pusa, why you always go around? You don't want to sit here and talk to me?
Let's go, ha?
Chicken.
Anyway, I will not wait for dinner. This is my dinner.
Be careful na. Lots of binenta. Kamali akong pindot. Kamali ako. Ano ka naman ang plan? Ano ka naman?
And this one is gonna fall too.
Tapos cellphone. Kamali akong pindot. Ano bang nakalagay doon? Wala nang bahala.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Mission success. Mission impossible, no impossible.
Mama Ibe doesn't do this here.
Why?
She only